Hello, I am James Protul Rozario. Today I am going to make a stir-fried chicken. So let me start with the ingredients first. 250 grams boneless chicken, 30 grams red capsicum, 30 grams yellow capsicum, 30 grams green capsicum, 30 grams carrots, 30 grams onion, 30 grams spring onion, 20 grams sugar, 1 gram star anise, 1 garlic, 20 to 30 grams cornstarch, 1 tablespoon salt, 10 to 15 ml white vinegar, 1 teaspoon black pepper powder, 50 grams refined oil, 1 teaspoon soya sauce and 10 grams red chili whole. Now take a boneless chicken, cut into julienne, even all vegetable cut into same julienne, but don't make it too fine. Then take a bowl, put the chicken, marinate with salt and pepper, cornstarch, few drops of soya sauce, add water if you need. And keep it aside for 30 minutes. Take a wok and add oil to fry the marinated chicken. Once oil gets medium heat, put the chicken slowly. Don't put all pieces at once. Keep it in 2 rounds. It's ready to take off and put on a flame. Add oil 1 teaspoon. When oil is heated, add chopped garlic. Make it lightly colored and add chili paste. At first soak the whole red chili, star anise seed in a bowl of vinegar for 30 minutes. When the chili are soft enough, take a blender and make a smooth paste and keep it aside. Now take a pan, put on the stove, make it hot, then add oil. Make sure it's not too hot. Then chop garlic to make light color. Then add chopped onion. When onion becomes soft, add chili paste and cook for 5 minutes until oil comes up. Then add seasoning with salt, sugar and pepper powder. Taste with will be sour, sweet and spicy and mix it up. Then add chicken. Once chicken mixed up properly, an onion, capsicum mixed up nicely. Don't cook it for a long time, at least 6 to 10 minutes. Then check the taste. If you need, add salt, pepper, sugar, soya sauce because you already seasoned with chili paste. At last add spring onion and remove from flame. And your stir-fried chicken is ready. নতুন করে কিছু বানালাম। আপনাদের কাছে যদি ভালো লাগে তাহলে আপনারা লাইক করবেন আর যদি কমেন্টস করবেন। থ্যাংক ইউ।